What I love about photography is you control the entire creative process. I can control the light and darkness of the photo. I can control what I aim. I can tell a story with my camera. I think that's one of the coolest things about it, and it's very, very easy to fall in love with photography. Kelby Media Group is basically a training company. We train people mostly on Photoshop, but also on things that are surrounding Photoshop. Photoshop is a part of photography. It is the darkroom. So if you're teaching just the camera, you're only teaching half of what the process is today. We reach literally millions of people all over the world. We produce everything from magazines. We have 22 different websites. We produce 3 podcasts. We do online training and tutorials and articles and on and on and on. I think that Photoshop it's almost a bigger part of the creative process now than the camera is. The camera is going to take a single picture and it's going to frame it that way. But once it goes into Photoshop, now it can become whatever you want it to become. You have this toolbox of amazing tools to take your vision beyond what the camera captured. We built everything around Photoshop because Photoshop has incredible depth. I learn new things every week. You never hit a wall in Photoshop where you go, Photoshop can't do this. And because of that, and because Adobe keeps doing updates, now with the Creative Cloud, releasing new features as you're part of the cloud, it's like there's always something new. I think the Creative Cloud is one of the biggest advancements for creatives. When you log onto the Creative Cloud site and you see all the things you can download, it's like, I have the keys to the kingdom. Programs that you never would have tried before, now they're right there at your fingertips. That's amazing. But also the fact that they keep growing. I don't have to wait 18 months, I don't have to wait 24 months, but now I get those changes as Adobe develops them. I didn't have to wait, I didn't have to pay, it's just part of my Creative Cloud membership. I think that's really cool. With the Creative Cloud, you think about your tools in a different way. I'm thinking, I might like to try Premiere Pro. What if I want to design an app? I can take my photography, make photo apps. I can take it to the web. I remember when I first heard the price of the Creative Cloud, I'm like, how can they possibly do that? I'm not really sure of the math behind it, but from the end user aspect, that's amazing. As a business owner, Creative Cloud for Teams allows me to expand as my team expands. For example, we have people right now on a 6-month contract working on a project. I can give them access to these tools. When the project's over, I can reassign those to other people in other departments, so it gives me that flexibility at a very, very cost-effective way. To me, creativity means that you don't have any boundaries, that you're allowed to express yourself, your vision, your story in the way that you really want it to be done. You can do whatever you want, and here are the tools to do it.